Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make a brochure on Canva. So first you may want to head over to canva.com and in the search bar, just start searching for brochure, press enter, and from here you can easily see ready-made templates and designs that you can use. Just select the specific template that you would like to use. Then proceed by clicking on customize this template. So from here, you can start changing details and elements to your design, change title, information, and more. Once everything is done, you can start by downloading this file ready to be printed. If you're planning to print this, just click on file, click on download, select the file type, then proceed by clicking on download. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.